What a nice day. At least you forgot the toys. I like rain, so I think we will stay warm. Oh no! I have to get out of here. Who is calling me? Hello? Oh, hello, my sweetie. What's going on? Are you okay? Lexi, it will be okay. By the way, who's crying? Baby Lily! Lexi! Oh my gosh, that was so dangerous. I protected baby Lily. What happened? Why did the lights go out? Mom, I'm scared. Emma, you have to listen to me. Stay with your big sister Lexi and your little brother Tony. Is that clear? Yes, Mom, I can clearly hear you. Okay, Tony and Lexi, I'm super serious right now. Go to the secret basement right now. Okay, you hear me? I'm just gonna change my outfit. So my outfit, it looks so ugly. So yeah, I'm gonna change it. That I'm gonna wear my headphones to hang out with my sissies. Okay, I'm just gonna change my hairstyle because you know my hairstyle looks cute, but the other is cuter. I'm just gonna teleport to the bathroom. Okay, I'm in the bathroom now, so I'm just gonna change my hairstyle. Okay, now we're gonna brushing my hairstyle. You know, my other hairstyle looks cute. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Time to hang out with my baddies. This just looks so confusing because I'm doing something while talking. That's not fair in Tokaboka world, so I'm just gonna close the windows. Lexi, come here. Lexi, what happened to you? I just protected baby Lily from outside. Oh my god. Guys, what is this big thing? Oh no, it's a tornado. Run. Come inside. Go, 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 go. Come on, Lexi. Hey, you guys, what about us? Bro, don't forget us. The tornado's coming. Go, 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 go. Let's go. Okay, now my turn. Come on. Now if this here. Now close the door. Okay, I'm feeling cold right now, so let me get a hat for Lexi and me. Yeah, let's go down. Wait, guys. We're missing someone. Rasoola! Hey, you guys. Did someone say my name? Mommy, Daddy, we're scared. Unfortunately, it's a very big thunderstorm, you guys. We're gonna get cooked today.